One thing about Musamsaleka, he will never change. I guess it's time we just accept him the way he is. So anyway, guys, let's get started today. You know, the rest of the house is on page and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. Oh, I love you. Anyway, guys, so yesterday, before I get to Marco, let me start with Musamsaleka. So yesterday, Musamsaleka tries his strategy manipulation again so that people can feel sorry for him. So this is what Musamsaleka posted on his Instagram account. Ukugula kwami kungaba into embi kodwa kuyafana nendoda ephelele umsebenzi iphenduka into engelutho. This time, people did not want to hear anything from Musamsaleka. All they wanted for him is to go and ask forgiveness from his third wife, Thobile Msaleko. People have now realized that Musamsaleka, he likes to play victim, always likes Usne. There's no difference between Usne and Musamsaleka, guys. Guys, it is the lady who have worked with Thobile, and this is what she has to say about Thobile. I have worked with Thobile Makumalo on a client campaigns. Let me say this, she's the real deal, showing up with a grace of professionalism and a heart. And yes, she's absolutely beautiful inside and out. You don't have to understand her life to respect how she live it. Every interaction I had with her, she spoke with love and respect for her family. And for Mosa, he respect her too. I've seen it firsthand, rooting for a woman who carry themselves like this. So guys, this is a Thobile's former colleagues who's saying, oh, Thobile, guys, she's a good person. The person that you see on Autonomous Temple and on Instagram and other social media platforms, she is who she says she is. And I saw a picture of Thobile and the snake. Guys, Usne went on watching a picture. It's ugly. Thobile, she's just pretending. And people are saying, those who have worked with Thobile, they're saying, oh, Thobile, she's actually a good person. Guys, we've seen Thobile on that show, on the reality show, The House of Devon, and people were complaining, oh, Thobile agakhulumi, Thobile that. Actually, Thobile, guys, she's a nice person. So, guys, people are not pretending for the camera. Yes, they might not get along. Obviously, they are sharing a husband. I do understand Abo Mayene, Abo Makele, Abo Mangwabe, you know, they do share a husband. No wonder why they treat each other that way. But when it comes to other stuff, I guess Sana Thobile, she's a good woman. So anyway, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.